I'm ready to party. Hey guys, it's Shamira. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing and trying this Eleganty soft bonnet. Yeah. This is basically like a helmet that you put on your hair to dry it. If you know me, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you guys know I hate diffusing. I just think it's so boring, takes so long, it hurts my arm, I just can't deal. So I'm hoping that this solves for that. Literally, I haven't watched any videos on this yet. I just bought it and then I'm gonna try it with you guys for the first time ever. And this is supposed to be, I'm like reading the back right now, it's supposed to be compatible with most hair dryers. And then it says, hair dryer not included. Like, someone picked this up and was like, okay, so I'm gonna be getting a hair dryer in here and a bonnet. So I'm going to open this up and then it looks like this. So this is the cap. And then it has this like long connector. And then I'm guessing, okay, so then this just kind of, it's like not really stretchy, but it should be able to fit on our hair dryer. So let's see. And this, by the way, is just like a Revlon hair dryer. I got it in high school. It's so old. I feel like I should probably be using a different hair dryer at this point, but you know what? It works. It has this like rubber on the inside, so it shouldn't slip off the hair dryer when the air turns on, which is good. Okay, so we have it on. Now let's figure out how to do the hair part of this. Let's brainstorm. Let's have a quick brainstorm session. So there's this, which you use to tighten it on your head. So I think if we're gonna go the plopping method, which is what we're gonna do, I need to put my head in this really quickly and then tighten it and then put my head over. That's the money move, people. We're figuring it out. I knew this brainstorm would work. Hey guys, so as I'm editing this, I realized I didn't really explain how to plop your hair, but I already made a video on that, so I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can go watch it after this. All right, guys, we did it. I feel confident doing this, you know what I mean, guys? I feel like this is gonna really help my street cred. I'm gonna make this a bit tighter. I feel like that's good. And I'm gonna strap this on. I feel like I am in a cult right now and this is like part of our uniform. Okay, shall we? I'm nervous. This is so weird. Okay, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna start low. So I have hot, warm, and cool, and then high, low, and off as heat setting. So I'm gonna start on hot, but I'm gonna go low just to see what happens. Let's see. Oh my god. It like really inflates. Okay, let's try it on high now. It feels like I am a hot air balloon. I have literally become a hot air balloon and I am taking off and this is the only thing holding me down. It's like, it's really hot. It seems to be really heating up. It feels like an oven in there. I'm gonna keep going though. Let's see how long this takes. Hey guys, so, here's where we're at. I could not deal with it being on hot and high. It was so hot in this thing, like it's wild. So I turned it down to warm and low, and that is where I hung out. I would say it was like a little under 30 minutes that I had this on. So I haven't taken this off yet to see what it looks like. Also, this thing, it doesn't choke you while it's on. In my head, I imagined it just being like, it doesn't do that. It like lightly pulls, so you're good. Okay, let's see if it worked. Okay, I'm nervous. Let's see. Okay, it is not totally dry. Okay, so this top part is very dry. The ends are totally dry. My this front part of my hair is not dry and the back is totally dry. So I think since I plot my hair, that makes sense that this part of my hair wouldn't dry first, but yeah, this part is totally dry. So I'm going to put this on again. I'm gonna put it on, and then I think I'm just gonna scrunch my hair into it. Like this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me tighten this a bit. What is happening? I'm just gonna try to stuff my hair in. See how this works. Kind of have to keep tightening it when you do that, maybe? I don't know, guys. I'm literally trying to figure this out. How does it seem like this is going well? Does this look, is it good? Am I pretty? You guys, there is a bit of a learning curve. I'm learning. Good one, Sean. Okay. So now, hopefully, this will dry the top part of my hair more. Let's see. All right, you guys, so it has been probably another 10 minutes, so let's see how this worked. Oh my gosh, it's dry. Oh, that is so cool. We're gonna need to do some crunching and some fluffing. I can't believe it's so dry though. Ugh, this is a lifesaver, you guys. When I'm telling you that it has been taking my hair literally like 5 hours to dry, I'm not kidding. Ever since we moved to a more humid place, my hair is like, we're not doing it. We're not listening. So this, I think, is gonna come in so handy. Okay, so I'm gonna scrunch this cast away. Also, if you guys saw my last video, my fail of a video, you know that my hair has not been curling very well since moving here either. So I think this is helping with that too, because like, look at these bad boys. They're super curly. And that's probably because we plopped and curled, or dried. We plopped and then had it dry in there. So I think that is helping. Okay, still more work to do. I still have a bit of a cast. So I'm gonna use this argan oil. You can use, this is from like Target or something. You can use any kind of oil, whatever works for your hair. I'm just using like that much, and I'm just gonna kind of pull that through. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. My hair is totally, well, actually, there are a few like damp spots still in there, but it's like 2% of my hair is still damp. My hair is super big, super fluffy. I will say the curls are a little inconsistent. Like, there's some curls that are kind of like wavy, some curls that are really curly, but you guys know I don't mind that, so yes, I love it. I'm really happy with it. I think it looks cute, and it's just gonna be such a lifesaver because I like air drying. I hate diffusing, so if I ever just want to like have my hair dry right away instead of it taking 5 hours to air dry, this is gonna be my new go-to. And I think I definitely think some finessing will be involved because, like I said, this was the first time I ever did this, so I think the more and more I do it, like the more I'll get a hang of it. But yeah, I love it. My hair feels full and pretty and healthy. Yeah, I'm happy. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Definitely make sure that you give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you like me, and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. We always have a great time talking in the comment section. I love you guys, and it's just so much fun to like interact, you know? Okay, I think that is everything. Is that everything? Yes. All right, have an amazing week or weekend whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.